right there. So when that's counting down. Okay, so this is the first tutorial video for everybody. You guys can follow along with me, so you don't have to rewatch the video. I'll make sure everybody gets this done together. What we're doing is we're resetting our toolbars. Everybody in the class should be missing the toolbars across the top here and along the side. And that happens when it's your first time logging into Rhino on a new computer. So what we're going to go ahead and do first is click the Tools button on the top, and we're going to drop all the way down to Options and click Options. What it's going to do is it's going to bring up a dialog box here that says Rhino Options. All right, back to the video. Sorry for that. This is our Rhino options. There are a lot of options in here. We will slowly start to dissect the options, but for now, what we want to go to is toolbars. So we can go ahead and scroll down. It's under Rhino options, and towards the bottom we have toolbars. Once you have that, you should click the Restore Defaults button. Restore Defaults. You will get this notification that says you're resetting your toolbars, and that Rhino will do some stuff and restart, and so the file will close itself. So go ahead and just hit OK. It's going to think for a second, and then it's going to tell you you must restart Rhino for toolbars to finish resetting. So go ahead and hit OK. After that, you can go ahead and hit the OK button, and then you can exit out of Rhino. So go ahead and exit out of it. Now go ahead and open up your file one more time, and you should get a little icon that says please wait, Rhino will start shortly updating toolbars. Once it's done updating itself, it'll open. There it goes, opening. And your toolbars should be there. That's the process for resetting your toolbars. If you change computers, if you go into the computer lab next door and you log in, your toolbars might not be there. If they're not there, that's the process you have to go through to reset your toolbars. So one more time real quick. It's Tools, Options, Toolbars, Restored to Default, right? And then you hit OK a bunch of times, close out of it, and open it back up. So that's how you reset your toolbars.